Facebook is the biggest social network in the world, with over 650 million daily active users. It should come as no surprise, then, that it's prone to more than its fair share of scams. With that in mind, here are our top 5 Facebook scams. Who viewed your profile? Yes, preying on the curiosity and vanity of the Facebook user, the Who Viewed Your Profile scam generally involves clicking on an external link that'll either try and steal your login details or install various spam and adware on your account to communicate with your Facebook friends. LinkedIn does the Who Viewed thing, Facebook does not. Celeb scams. Links to nude or compromising photos of your favorite celeb might be too much to resist, but do try. These will generally either lead you off to a host of dubious adult sites or worse, fish for your login details and hijack your account. Beware. Change your Facebook background color. Facebook is blue and always will be, at least until the powers that be decide otherwise. However, there are plenty of people who'd like to get permission to post on your profile, redirect you to adult content, or hijack your account. Our advice? Just stick to blue until Mark Zuckerberg decides to let you do otherwise. Get the dislike button. Facebook has said time and time again that it will never add a dislike button. Like the Facebook color changer apps and links, this is a hoax. Click the link for free stuff. We all love freebies, but as the old adage goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Facebook users have been scammed by all sorts of things, from free flights to free cosmetics. Generally, these free offers grab access to your account and start posting spam all over your wall. More of an annoyance than a genuine problem, but it is very annoying. And that just about wraps it up for our top 5 Facebook scams. Just one more thing. Head over to eset.com and check out the social media scanner for ultimate Facebook peace of mind. It's free.